Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started. Good luck. Why is packet inspection essential for network security with AWS Network Firewall? To identify and block malicious network traffic. To accelerate server performance. To increase network speed. To reduce storage costs. Packet inspection is essential for network security with AWS Network Firewall as it helps identify and block malicious network traffic, ensuring the integrity of the network. What is a common use case for AWS Network Firewall? Protecting against DDoS attacks. Providing load balancing for network traffic. Optimizing CPU usage for lower cost. Accelerating decryption of SSL traffic. A common use case for AWS Network Firewall is protecting against DDoS attacks by filtering and inspecting network traffic to block malicious requests. What is the primary use case for stateful traffic inspection with AWS Network Firewall? Prioritizing video streaming traffic. Encrypting all network data. Increasing network bandwidth. Monitoring and analyzing network traffic. Stateful traffic inspection with AWS Network Firewall is primarily used for monitoring and analyzing network traffic for security purposes. What is the primary goal of AWS Network Firewall? To provide visibility into network traffic patterns. To manage DNS settings for the network. To protect against common network threats. To improve network performance through caching. The primary goal of AWS Network Firewall is to provide protection against common network threats such as DDoS attacks and malicious traffic. What is the primary advantage of using managed rules in AWS Network Firewall for network security? Automatic rotation of encryption keys. Static assignment of IP addresses for all connections. Reduced server-side response times. Continuous updates for the latest threat intelligence. Managed rules in AWS Network Firewall offer continuous updates for the latest threat intelligence, ensuring that your network security configurations are always up to date with the latest protection mechanisms. What is a key feature of AWS Network Firewall that helps in prioritizing security tasks? Real-time visibility into network performance. Full encryption of all data in transit. Rule groups with customizable settings. Automatic packet analysis for all traffic. AWS Network Firewall provides rule groups with customizable settings that allow you to prioritize and manage security tasks effectively. Why is default state removal important for AWS Network Firewall rules? To increase network latency. To improve server scalability. To maintain efficient processing of network traffic. To encrypt all data in transit. Default state removal in AWS Network Firewall rules is important to maintain efficient processing of network traffic, ensuring optimal performance and security measures. What is an important feature of AWS Network Firewall for managing network security? Granular visibility into traffic patterns. Full encryption of all network data. Random assignment of DNS servers for clients. Continuous scanning for hardware vulnerabilities. An important feature of AWS Network Firewall is providing granular visibility into traffic patterns, allowing you to track and analyze network traffic behavior and identify potential security risks. Which type of traffic filtering does AWS Network Firewall offer for enhanced security? Stateful filtering, data encryption, content delivery, load balancing. AWS Network Firewall offers stateful filtering of network traffic for enhanced security, allowing for advanced threat detection and prevention. Why is AWS Network Firewall important for network security? It provides better storage management. It helps identify and block malicious traffic. It improves network latency. It ensures compliance with data privacy regulations. AWS Network Firewall is important for network security as it helps identify and block malicious traffic, preventing potential security breaches. Why is rule group capacity important for AWS Network Firewall users? To encrypt all network data. To optimize server response time. To boost network bandwidth. To tailor security policies for different applications. Rule group capacity is important for AWS Network Firewall users as it allows for tailoring security policies for different applications, enhancing network security measures. Which AWS feature can AWS Network Firewall use to automate rule updates? AWS Lambda functions. AWS step functions. AWS S3 buckets. AWS CloudWatch events. AWS Network Firewall can leverage AWS Lambda functions to automate rule updates and streamline network security management. What is an important benefit of integrating AWS Network Firewall with AWS Firewall Manager? Random assignment of AWS resources to firewalls. Centralized management of firewall rules. Full encryption of network traffic. Increased network latency for secure connections. Integrating AWS Network Firewall with AWS Firewall Manager provides centralized management of firewall rules across accounts, offering a holistic approach to network security and compliance. What is a benefit of using AWS Network Firewall for application security? Filtering traffic based on IP addresses and protocols. Encrypting all data in transit. Increasing the number of open ports. Maintaining redundant server instances. AWS Network Firewall can enhance application security by filtering traffic based on IP addresses and protocols, allowing you to control access and block potential threats to your applications. Why would an organization implement Suricata rules with AWS Network Firewall? To detect and block known threats. To encrypt all network traffic. To increase network bandwidth. To improve database performance. Implementing Suricata rules with AWS Network Firewall allows for detection and blocking of known threats, enhancing network security measures. How can AWS Network Firewall help with compliance requirements? By providing enhanced security controls. By increasing server memory. By optimizing database queries. By reducing network latency. AWS Network Firewall can help organizations meet compliance requirements by providing enhanced security controls for network traffic. What does AWS Network Firewall use to inspect and filter network traffic? Stateful Firewall Engine. Content Delivery Network. Data Encryption. Network Load Balancer. AWS Network Firewall uses a stateful firewall engine to inspect and filter network traffic, allowing for advanced security measures. What is a use case for stateful traffic inspection with AWS Network Firewall? Increasing network bandwidth. Encrypting all data in transit. Monitoring and blocking malicious traffic. Prioritizing video streaming traffic. Stateful traffic inspection with AWS Network Firewall allows for monitoring and blocking of malicious traffic for improved network security. What is a benefit of using AWS Network Firewall for threat intelligence feeds? Enhanced network latency. Increased server downtime. Improved data encryption. Access to real-time threat information. AWS Network Firewall provides access to threat intelligence feeds, giving users real-time threat information to bolster network security. Which AWS service does AWS Network Firewall integrate with for enhanced security? Amazon RDS. AWS Security Hub. AWS Lambda. Amazon S3. AWS Network Firewall integrates with AWS Security Hub to provide enhanced security by sending data about detected threats and potential security vulnerabilities to Security Hub. What is a key benefit of using AWS Network Firewall for domain-based traffic inspection? Improving video streaming performance. Encrypting all network traffic. Blocking access to specific domains. Increasing server response time. A key benefit of using AWS Network Firewall for domain-based traffic inspection is the ability to block access to specific domains for security purposes. What role does DNS filtering play in AWS Network Firewall for network security? Increasing network storage capacity. Optimizing data encryption. Preventing access to malicious domains. Delivering real-time analytics. DNS filtering in AWS Network Firewall helps prevent access to malicious domains, contributing to enhanced network security measures. What role does AWS Network Firewall play in network security maintenance? Encrypting all data at rest within the network. Increasing network latency for all connections. Monitoring and enforcing security policies for network traffic. Scanning incoming and outgoing emails for threats. AWS Network Firewall plays a role in network security maintenance by monitoring and enforcing security policies to control the flow of network traffic and detect and block potential threats. How can AWS Network Firewall help in protecting against malicious threats? By encrypting all incoming requests. By increasing the network latency for all traffic. By prioritizing bandwidth for specific applications. By scanning and blocking potentially harmful traffic. AWS Network Firewall can help protect against malicious threats by scanning and blocking potentially harmful traffic before it reaches your network resources. What is an advantage of deploying AWS Network Firewall over traditional firewall appliances? Manual updates for rule configurations. Centralized management across all VPCs. Better performance for CPU-intensive applications. Decreased network scalability. Deploying AWS Network Firewall provides the advantage of centralized management and rule configuration across all Amazon virtual private clouds. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.